NorCal departure, roger, radar contact, and the tower would seem a bit confused about what was going on. Are you having an engine failure?
While some believe air travel to be the safest mode of transportation, many people are afraid to fly, and many ideas justify their fears, which are frequently incorrect. Can a Boeing 777 fly on one engine? Is the topic of today's Top Travel. So without further ado, let's get this topic going. The Boeing 777 is quote-unquote outstanding in performance and dependability. But what happens in the unlikely event of an engine failure? Engine failure on a Boeing 777. One of the reasons many people are terrified about engine failure is that there have actually been previous reports of catastrophic incidents caused by engine failure. The most recent engine failure tale was about a United Airlines flight from San Francisco to Honolulu in February 2018.
At 863, heavy NorCal departure, roger, radar contact, and the tower would seem a bit confused about what was going on. Are you having an engine failure?
Because the coverage of the Pratt & Whitney engine that powered the Boeing 777 had been destroyed, the pilot in command was obliged to shut down an engine. Fortunately, Flight 328 arrived at its destination airport on only one engine. Did they replace the engine casing, which appeared to be the issue? Yes. The best choice for the Boeing 777 was to replace the Pratt & Whitney engine with another type of engine, which is currently the GE90-115BL from General Electric, described before. So, as an answer to your question, yes, it can fly on one engine, as it should. If you want to know the packing tips for air travel, watch the next video by clicking on your screen. If you found this video helpful, then remember to leave a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel if you want to learn more about aircrafts and airlines in America. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.